Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video right here, we're going to be doing this really simple, easy eyeliner look. I'm going to show you how I do my eyeliner. And yeah, let's get started. We got a special guest today.
Hello.
Maya's going to tell you guys what I'm doing.
Well, now she's...
Where are you going? Why do you run over there? You got to come back over here and say it. What am I doing? What do you see? What's mommy doing? Come here.
I don't know what you're doing.
What am I doing? What's that right there? What's this? What's this? What's that?
Your eye.
My eye? What am I doing with it?
You're putting makeup on it.
I am? Okay, now what am I doing?
You're putting the pink thing on your face so you can get the black eyeliner on.
Do you know why mommy's doing that?
So you can get your makeup on.
That's right. That's right. I'm using a cream eyeliner here. I like to use a cream eyeliner first because it's just easier for the back. Okay, what else do we see mommy doing?
We see you putting on a black eyeliner.
Yeah, B. That's exactly what mommy's doing. Where am I putting it at?
Like the edge of your eye.
You know what that's called?
Nope.
A wing. Swing. See, that's what. Can you do that?
Swing.
That's right. And so, what am I doing right here?
Now you're putting makeup on the top of your eye.
Yeah, I'm putting that makeup inside of my crease. I'm doing it so that I can add a little bit of depth to my eye. Can you say depth?
Depth.
Yeah.
What is death?
Not death, Bubba.
I said death. I said death.
So what colors do you see mommy using?
I see red, black, and like brownish purple.
Yeah, it's like a purplish color inside of my crease. Can you say crease?
Crease.
That's right. You like that brush? It's kind of gold, huh? It looks pretty cool, huh?
Yep.
Tell the people that that brush is from Morphe.
That brush is from Morphe.
Okay, what's mommy doing right here?
You are putting like this thing that can like fix your eyebrow.
Yeah. The company's called Benefit Cosmetics. Can you say that?
Benefit Cosmetics.
Yeah. You like mommy's eyebrows?
Yes.
Yes. Do you like them when they're done or do you like them when they're just normal?
I like them when they're done and normal.
How come?
Because they're like this.
Aw, you're so sweet. I like them when they're done. Because then I be looking like a diva. I'm a diva. I'm a diva. You know what a diva is? Diva is a female version of a hustler. Hey. I'm kidding. Beyonce sang that. You don't know that song. It came out way before you were born, I think.
Well, I actually have heard it.
You heard it?
When we were going to the convention.
Oh, yeah. I was playing I'm a diva. I'm a diva. So what's mommy putting on right now?
You are putting on like the thing that will like put your eyebrow up.
My eyebrow?
I meant eyelash.
Oh, yeah. It's called mascara.
Yes.
Use mascara. Dun 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 dun. Oh, this is the favorite part. Ready? Boom. What are those called?
Those are called eyelashes.
That's right.
Fake
Eyelashes.
Fake eyelashes.
You don't want to emphasize the fake part. You just want to say lashes. Boom. Hey, what did mommy just do? Do you like that face?
Yes.
Look. Hey, what I'm doing?
Hey, you just got your bandana off.
That's right. I got my bandana off. Ooh, look. What's mommy look like? Do I look cute?
Yep.
Is she cute?
She cute.
She cute. Hey. Why are you so cute, Bean?
Because my mama's cute.
That's right. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Boy.